Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox One. This prevents shorts and preserves your data. Once done, remove disks and external drives and put the console on a soft mat. Use an ESD strap if available to avoid static damage. Next, remove the warranty label and start with the Torx screws at the back and bottom. Keep screws separated by location. Make sure to use plastic pry tools to lift the top shell gently so clips don't snap. Once the top shell is loose, use even pressure and a prying tool to walk the clips free from one side to the other. Be careful near ports, they can snag. After the shell lifts slightly, look inside and disconnect ribbon cables and Wi-Fi antenna leads. Push the connector latch, then slide out the cable. Next, remove the metal RF and heat shields with T10 screws. Keep track of each screw's original hole so reassembly is straightforward and correct. For final removal, only lift the motherboard or outer shell after verifying every cable and screw is removed. Forcing it risks damage. Inspect connectors and pins visually. If you see bent pins, straighten carefully or stop and seek parts. If clips break, you can use small pieces of tape as a temporary hold while sourcing replacements. When reassembling, reverse the steps and loosely fit screws first. Then test power and boot before fully tightening to ensure everything works, and avoid trapping misaligned parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.